Good evening, Mac Vlogs here, aka Ian. Tonight I am staying at the Holiday Inn Express here in Glasgow city centre, just at the Riverside, so kind of like behind the Scenic Centre shopping centre, right about that area, just behind there. So I'll put the address and postcode and all that kind of stuff in the description as usual. However, this is a double room with a sofa bed, you can see behind me, which we'll have a look at. And yeah, welcome to my channel, welcome to not a review. I've said that before in the past, this is not a review, not a hotel review, not a room review. This is just my vlog, my experience as I stay and travel in hotels and all that stuff. So if it's your first time on my channel, welcome, thank you for watching. Hope you stick around, stay, join the community, hit subscribe, all that kind of stuff. But anyway, let's have a look at the room, just a room tour of the Holiday Inn Express here in Glasgow city centre at the Riverside. Let's go. So first things first, as always, stand at the front door, make sure you know where your fire escape is. So I'm staying in 233. Don't forget to put your key card in the slot to put the power on, to put the lights on as you come in. All your standard stuff, so not a chain but a lock here, similar to a chain, door lock. And then you come into the room. So first impressions, yeah, it's modern, it does what it says on the tin. I don't want to say that because that's a brand. But it's fit for purpose, it's clean, that's always my go-to. So as long as it's clean and tidy, that kind of stuff, then yeah, I can live with it. So as soon as you walk in, hanging space here, little shelf at the top there, an extra kind of cushion for the sofa bed. I'm gonna guess kind of armrest you can take over and put over there for the sofa bed. Here I've got my jumper hanging up, which is wet because it's raining as usual in Glasgow. Hangers, ironing board, iron, some more storage down here. So here, top shelf, little shelf there, shelf here. So you have a hair dryer there, additional tools. My bags are sitting here. This bag is sitting here because I am on my way to Manchester, to fly from Manchester to go to Orlando. Yeah, so if you want to stick around and watch me in Orlando, then subscribe. This little fold out thing, I keep forgetting what that's called, to unpack your bag. I'll come back in a moment and have a look at the bathroom. But this is the main room, so bed. All your standard stuff. It's got a little floating bedside table, shelf idea, light switch, bedside light. Just here you've got a tall mirror. These decorative pieces, which I'm guessing you can hang things on if you wish. And this says here everything you need at your fingertips, so I don't know if that's any use to you, but you can scan that QR code and see what information it gives you. In the side of the room, we've got floating shelf again, old school phone, I love an old school phone, USB point. I'm using one just now, well, not technically using it, but I was using it to charge my phone. So charging point there. Then you have a light here, which, how do we turn this on? Let's figure this out. Whoop. So that is just a switch. So that'll be that switch over there for that light. No, is it? No. Nope. Yep. So it's that one there. For that one. Having a party in here. The lights. So it is a bit strange with the lights in here, to be fair. So you've got the bedside lights, those two. You have that one in the corner. You have, similar to the bedside light, got a lamp there. And you have that one right in the corner there. Or, yeah, well, it's in the corner, but on the wall there. It's unusual. The thermostat, so there's the air conditioning unit. That's how to use it. And then back over here, so desk, there's no chair, which is kind of disappointing because I like to do some of my videos or editing while I'm travelling and have a chair there, so can't sit here. But yeah, got this lamp here, little switch there, little kettle, so small kettle, outlet here, and let's do it here, so putting the camera a bit better here, hold it a bit better, there we go. So we've got milks, teas, coffees, all the usual stuff. Got a spare kind of mug here as well, just with additional milks, coffee, sugars, real mugs, as in not plastic or polystyrene. TV as well, LG TV. Current time, if you're interested, is that. Past my bedtime. And some shelving here as well. So this is a sofa bed. Now, before I have tackled these, and I have never been able to, I'm kidding, I was going to say put it back in, but all you do is you lift that up and you follow those instructions there for it to fold out. So, easy enough done, to be fair. It's that easy, I'm not going to do it because I'm too tired, but you just lift that up and you pull that section up and out. How hard can it be? Who knows? Give it a go, let me know if you try it. Anyway, the view is non-existent really just now because it is dark, but this is where we are. So we have the Clutha and Victoria bar just there, right across the road, and nothing really else here. That's within the kind of viewing and talking purposes. You can just see the city of Glasgow College through the rain. Look at the rain. I don't think that will come up in the video, maybe it will, maybe it won't. City of Glasgow College, I don't know if you can hear the music. That may be the only one downside really, is the music if you want to sleep, but these windows, I've got like, there's two windows, I've got this here, an intermediate window, so maybe that stops the sound. You've got this window here that you can open for some fresh air, so I've had that open just to get some fresh air. I like to do that when I'm staying in a room for the first time, just to get some fresh air in there. You don't know how long it's been sitting waiting. Close that over. Hopefully it blocks out some of the sound. That's just the glare there so you can see me. So that's really it for the view. Let me close that back over and head towards the shower. Got a bin. Bin. I've already used the bin. Light. Let's go into, I'm going to say the bathroom, but I know it's not a bathroom because there's no bath. There is, well, a shower, which is here. Good size shower. As everything a shower should, hopefully. Here in body wash. Over here we have soap at the sink. Plastic cups. I don't like plastic cups because I'd rather real ones for being reusable, but that's just me. Shaver point. We've got tissues, towels, hanging, hook, point, which kind of looks like an octopus. No. And then here you have, I'm breaking the door, that's me. The mirror here, so you're just going to end up seeing me in the mirror, but I'll try and not see me in the mirror. 3 mirrors there in the corner. And you're all wondering, where is the toilet? The toilet is behind the door, because I've opened the door into the bathroom, shower room. All tiled, fully tiled walls, fully tiled floors. As I said, clean. Enough, clean enough. It is clean. Bin there as well. And yeah, there's not much else in this room. So yeah, that's really it. As basic as it is, I like to vlog and I like to record and I like to give the information out there. Glasgow is a very, very busy place. There's a lot of tourists, a lot of, even though I'm not a tourist within Glasgow, I like to come into Glasgow and sometimes just stay in Glasgow because it takes away the hassle. If you're out in Glasgow, you're in Glasgow for the night, have a good night, enjoy yourself. So some people want to know what the rooms are like for certain hotels and rooms. So that was my initial thought process when I started doing hotel rooms as well. So hopefully that helps and it gives the information to those who need it. If you can share, like, all that kind of stuff and comment, it gets the information out there to people who would like to do that, and that pushes it out to the algorithms and all that kind of stuff for YouTube. These things, not to help me, it does help me, yes, however it does help those people that want to find the information, find out what different rooms are and different prices and all that stuff. I'll put the price obviously in the description. I say obviously, but I sometimes forget. So this room was £95. It's Friday night, just now, tonight. It is the 21st of October 2022, so £95. It does come with free breakfast in the morning, so that's a good thing, in my opinion, for the price. So £95, one night, Friday night, and it's kind of mid-October, let's just call it mid-October. So yeah, that's really it for this room. There's nothing else to show. Like I said, I am heading, this is technically the beginning of my trip to Orlando. So if you are a frequent follower and subscriber of myself, either on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube of course, then you'll know I am a lover of Orlando. I haven't mentioned it for a while, but have I not? I'll mention it now. I am flying out to Orlando on Monday, flying with Virgin and all that stuff. That will be coming in my Orlando series, vlogs for example. So if you wish to follow me, if you like travel, adventure, theme parks, that kind of stuff, if you love Orlando, then you'll definitely want to have a look at that. So make sure you subscribe. It's free to subscribe. Do it. Go for it. And follow the community and join the community that's here that I'm starting to create, and hopefully everyone enjoys the videos and everything else I put out there. So anyway, talking too much. Hopefully I see you in the future. Until the next video, I'll see you then. Bye bye.